A joint parliamentary committee of the Lok Sabha Secretariat visited Bengaluru on Tuesday and held discussions with political parties regarding the proposed One Nation, One Election initiative. The meeting was held at the Taj West End Hotel in Bengaluru as part of consultations on the proposed constitutional amendment related to simultaneous elections across the country. During the meeting, the Karnataka BJP submitted a memorandum supporting the implementation of One Nation, One Election. Karnataka BJP President and MLA B Vijayendra participated in the discussions along with several senior party leaders. Members of Parliament PC Mohan, Yaduveer Wadiyar and Dr. CN Manjunath were present at the meeting. MLAs L. Ravi Subramanya, Suresh Gowda and Jyoti Ganesh also attended the discussions. Legislative Council member K.S. Naveen, BJP State General Secretary Nandish Reddy and State Chief Spokesperson Ashwath Narayan were also present. In another round of discussions, Leader of Opposition R. Ashoka, Deputy Opposition Leader Arvind Bellad, former Deputy Chief Minister Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan, Legislative Council member Gopinath Reddy and other senior BJP leaders reiterated their support for the One Nation, One Election proposal before the parliamentary panel. The parliamentary committee is holding consultations with political parties and stakeholders across the country regarding the proposed constitutional amendment linked to simultaneous elections. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.